Hi there, welcome to ZDNet. Let's cover how to add fonts to Photoshop. I'm not sure if this has ever happened to you, but I've definitely found myself unable to find a font that fits just right on a visual project, or hey, maybe you just want to add a cool different font to Photoshop. There's two easy ways to add fonts to Photoshop, and I'll cover both of them on this video. The first would be to add a font and download it and install it to your computer. And the second is to add an Adobe font through Photoshop. So here's how you download and install a font on your computer. I'll be using a Mac, but you can also do this on Windows. Now, there's a lot of reputable websites out there for fonts, and I'm gonna use this one. I've used it for many years. I'll settle on this font called Capoli. I think that's how you pronounce it, maybe. And once you click on it, you can see what all the characters would look like on this font. And if you're satisfied with that, which I am, you can just click on download. And then the font will go to your downloads folder or wherever you have your downloads going. I'm going to open the downloads folder and you'll see that it's a zip file here. So we'll just click on it to open it and then click on it again. And then this is the actual font file that we want to open. And then click on install font. And that is really it. I'm going to go to Photoshop and let's see where we can find this font. Okay. I think the name was Capoli of them. Correct. That's right. K-E. There we go. And there it is. So that's pretty straightforward. Now let's talk about how you can actually do this through your Creative Cloud account. And that's just basically, you'll be adding a font to Photoshop directly through Photoshop. All right, so the way to do this would be, you're just gonna create a text layer. Here it is. Let's go ahead and select it all and change the font type. Up here you have the Creative Cloud symbol. If you click on it, you can browse all of the Adobe fonts available. So this will just open a website and you can look through them. Let's pick Art Deco just for fun. And you can look through them and see which one you would like. I'm gonna click on this one and you can see view family. You can see the variations for thin, light, the bolded one, which I think is called Ultra. Let's download that one. So basically you just toggle activate fonts and that will add it to your Creative Cloud account. So the font activation is successful and you'll see this message. You can bypass it next time you open it. But the font will be immediately available in Photoshop, which is really cool. So the cool thing about this is that you can use it for commercial use, but you can also have it available wherever you log into Photoshop. So it's not tied to your computer. Now let's go ahead and find this font here so we can see it as an example. Here it is. And there it is. And that's all you need to do to add a font through your Creative Cloud account. I hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.